And I'm back with a new video. This time I have a Pokemon bottle filled with some pear cactus drink. It's actually some sort of carbonated water, so enjoy the video. Just look at me opening this thing. Plop. And I will be drinking like most of it, I guess, because I don't think I can do it at once or in one time. But yeah, let's just watch and see. There's just a little left. It's not that much. How much is it? Like, I don't know how much, but I can fill some more if I want to, which I will be doing. Wait, I feel some burps coming up. Was that it? Let me fill the bottle again. I'm a huge fan of Pokemon, so yeah, I bought this. Alright. Don't fall. Oh my god. There we go again. Oh man, it's a little hard for me to do this in one time. Oh man, that's enough, that's enough. Maybe I could show my belly again. Look at it being full. I feel some burps that are stuck. Man. Oh my god, that sounded good. That's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.